Who builds the most reliable Porsche engines in the US? We're Slakker Racing Development, Porsche engine specialists based in Oklahoma City. We're proud to be the only official Hartech partner in the United States. Their world-renowned closed-deck technology is at the heart of our most reliable builds. From base builds to high-horsepower turbo monsters, our engines are designed to handle the street and the track. Every build is engineered for reliability and performance. Right here in Oklahoma City, but trusted by Porsche enthusiasts worldwide. Slakker Racing Development, official Hartech partner. Porsche engines reimagined.